Hey folks, I have a really great Myrtle tenor to show you today. Number 926. The body is some really stripy, nice Myrtle from the Carpenter Ant stash in Portland. And some of it's really curly, some of it's not, some of it's stripy, some of it's swirly. Just kind of never know what I'm going to get with this particular batch of boards, and that's one thing I like about it. This board changed a rule for us going through Ken's wood stash. The first few times I went there with like a specific purpose, like, oh, we're going to get some koa, we're going to get some walnut, whatever. And then, you know, it's a big shop and garage full of wood, so you end up stepping over stuff, and you end up unstacking stuff and stacking it back on. And we just kind of changed the rule. Like, if you're going to touch a piece of wood, even if it's not what you intend, it's going with you. Because it's just too big of a job otherwise. And these Myrtle boards were down on the floor of the garage. We stepped on them multiple times. And they were just dirty boards. We didn't even know what they were. And I just threw them in. And it turned out to be this really nice stripy Myrtle. Probably from somewhere here in Oregon. Yeah, all walnut trim on this one. It's got a 1.5 inch nut. And then the fretboard is, the neck is Porterford cedar and walnut. Nice and light, but still feels solid. It's got a low G, and it just feels good. Yeah, Myrtle is really good as an all body wood, top, back, and sides. I really like it. So, there you go. All Pacific Northwest wood, number 926. Cheers.